We're back at Burley now. We try and find a caravan to look into. I'd ask in the comments if there's anyone you want to see, but by the time I read it, we'll have already have been here. If that makes sense. Let's find a caravan. I just noticed on the Burley stand, couldn't see a 4.4 here, but they do have them listed on the board, so they must still be making them.
And everything else that we've got.
The Baileys, they've kept the prices, haven't they? But is this 2025 prices, so they've not upped anything?
Yeah, it's last year's price, isn't it?
What's your wardrobe, isn't it?
Yeah, no. I've got a little.
It's nice having that little roof vent at the top there, isn't it? All matte black as well. Close over as well, or? Yeah, it does.
There's a Burley Messina. We can't really talk much. There's lots of people in it, and there's lots of people in all the caravans, so it's hard to film and talk
It's
and
because there's
describe.
not very many caravans on offer, so...
No. But we'll try and show some more inside. That little hey-ho wants to film one, so I'll see if we can find her.
I think it's really expensive. I think it's just.
So they sell baby. So there you go. You're coach for here.
There aren't that many different ones to get around.
All different names, you know.
Yeah, so that's a Bailey.
The bathroom's got a towel radiator.
I think that other one's more neutral. I mean, this is sort of, it looks like it's got...
Shelf back in again, 2 shelves.
So you've got one sunroof there.
Occasionally I'll grab an extractor fan for the old number, but it'll be a great place for you.
Yes.
To need it.
Yeah.
That has got a window in it.
Yeah.
Oh, we should have stood there.
Coachman. Absolute bargain.
Far too cheap.
It's far too cheap. Press button things.
Nobody knows your name. What's the matter?
Nobody knows our names.
Mrs. Henslow, Mr. Henslow. So that is the Barracuda. It's wide, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the same as all. We don't like coconut.
So far.
Oh, you got your bags there.
It's exactly the
What's this, a Barracuda what?
This is a Starline.
Starline?
Mom, going to go to the Buddha.
I like this.
Can we go to the big Buddha?
Identical.
Yeah. Yeah, they've got 3 of them in one.
The microwave's behind you.
Oh yeah, micro, yeah.
Quite deep seats.
Nice. Is that what's something better? Is that the pull out the bed?
What's the bit? I've just sat in the seats of these Barracudas. Straight up, I really have to keep my feet off the floor, look. But,
I like this. It's really nice. It could be going back to August, I think.
Do you think so?
Yeah, I really like it.
It's
Really
not
nice
bad.
styling.
I thought you didn't like the darker
No, we
wood.
like it. We like
I
it
do
more
like
than
the
you.
darker wood.
Should we get one each?
Yeah.
We're going to get one each. Caravan
Just
Curtis
get
getting one.
together and
Hang on,
share
it's
it.
got curtains.
Yeah.
It has
It's got curtains,
curtains.
oh yeah. You have to put the curtains in
Rip the
till we
curtains
get-
out.
we use it.
It's got curtain pole as well.
Well, it's quite nice this
I
one.
know.
What is
Never
it?
really looked at these
It's just a
Buccaneers.
Starlight
Yeah, never
Buccaneer.
really
It's got a
looked
big
at
seat.
them before.
No, ladies and gentlemen would like to.
Just looking at the L-shaped sofa, it's pretty.
Yeah.
It's nice. We're liking this Caravan. How much is it? I'm gonna have a look at the little thing outside.
There's a box he's thinking about, but we're trying to. So here we've got the Fifth Wheel Co. stand. They've not been at the show for 12 years, but they're back. Obviously not actually caravans because they're fifth wheels, so they drop down onto the flat base, but they have brought some caravans. They brought the Inos range, so let's go and have a look at those. Drumming up quite a bit of interest, this range, isn't it?
The worst feature about this Caravan is the view.
Comes with 2 vloggers.
2 vloggers free of charge.
Added.
We'll tell it to site for
Half
you.
price.
You might need to know if they're comfy. Exactly. Okay, they're comfy. Okay, it doesn't actually pull across, but
Don't break it. This bit is the bit that's
this
extended
is
out.
fine. This is great.
Lots of space.
It's so wide as well.
Average a table, but
Yeah.
you got to think 95 grand if you expect more.
77.5.
Eh?
77.5. We're a fifth wheel.
It's very woody. Is that a word?
It feels really well built, doesn't it?
Solid.
It's even got proper sliding wardrobes. Really heavy duty sliding wardrobes.
What toe is this? Well, it must be. Oh, it's already got some t-shirts in it. It must be heavy. Lost Mrs. Hayho and Little Hayho. They've gone off to watch some animal show somewhere. And we've just been chatting with the Caravan vlogger and Caravan Escapades, James and Graham, about, because we're all old fogies, talking about old-fashioned music and listening to vinyl stuff. It's been nice chatting. That's one of the reasons why we like coming in the February time. It's just nice to bump into people. We bumped into loads of people that we bumped into before or met for the first time and had little chats and stuff. That's one of the best things about this show, is it stuff for the kids to do, and more opportunity to just chat and get to, hang out with people. It's nice. I could actually see the hyacinths just ahead of me, speaking of bumping into people.
Not again.
That's right, yeah. Oh, look, they do those colours.
Going as long as you can. You want some of that dust is forming on the top, but we've got a little notch there. So hopefully most of that dust is forming in the notch. Put that down. So you can see what it's back.
Look at that, there's a dinosaur. And behind James, obviously, is another dinosaur.
So you have to have the right materials, right in the first aid kit, it's really good, it's really fungal infections and things like that. So mix that.
This is a new manufacturer, I think newish, called Ace. Seems to just do motorhomes. And a camper van. Nice.
Nice hat. We just happened to find the clap stand, and we just spotted the 40-litre water barrel.
Oh, yeah, it's good that, isn't it? A collapsible water barrel.
Yeah.
I'm still a big fan of the macro roll that we have, but yeah, they're certainly a different design.
It is really nice, and it's portable. Look, it's on the trolley.
That one and that one. The Postmaster's got that one.
I think all of that goes into that. And it's been a long day, and as usual we've ended up at Mighty Spice. Everyone loves their Mighty Spice curries and stuff. I think the plan now is to maybe just go and get something to eat and possibly then heading off. It's been a a long, tiring day, but we've seen some good stuff. I hope you've seen some good caravans and stuff that we managed to look in. To be honest, it's been hard to get in them because I think there's so few caravans here at the show. The ones that are there are really popular, and you go into a caravan. Previously, you've maybe had nobody in it, or you've had 1 or 2 other people. Some of the caravans we went into, there's been 4 or 6 different people in there, and it's hard to film it. But we've seen some nice ones. Nothing to tempt us just yet into getting a new caravan. We're quite happy with our Discovery D44, which will be going out in a lot more when the season starts properly. Let's just see where we end up next. So we're going to head back to the press office where we've left our bags and coats. We've left the others behind because they are virtually getting like a takeout meal at Mighty Spice. And that's it. We're done. We're just leaving. It's not quite 6 o'clock yet. I think it's just gone past 5, but we're shattered. So I think it's time to get on out of here, try and find the car because I can't remember where we parked it, and then a few hours drive and we get home. It's been a nice time, nice to meet people, nice to chat to people. As I say, I hope you got to see some caravans and get a feel of the show. And we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like,
subscribe to all the good stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.